Hello guys, today we are going to learn some daily use verbs. But before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Wake up, wake up. Come on, wake up. Breakfast is ready. Make the bed. Make the bed. Every morning I make the bed before starting my day. Take a shower. Take a shower. Don't forget to take a shower before going to bed to keep yourself clean and comfortable. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Every morning I have breakfast with a cup of coffee and a bowl of cereal. Read the newspaper. Read the newspaper. She enjoys reading the newspaper with her morning coffee. Listen to the radio. Listen to the radio. As I drive through the countryside, I like to listen to the radio. Wait for the bus. Wait for the bus. The students stood patiently waiting for the bus to pick them up. Do the cleaning. Do the cleaning. Every Saturday morning, I do the cleaning to keep my house neat and tidy.